Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I know I haven't really been posting many videos, and trust me, I have like 4 videos like shot. I just need to edit and obviously post them. But I've been going through a lot in the last couple months, of which I will talk a little bit about on my channel. I talked a little bit about it on my Instagram, and it's pretty much why I've been kind of MIA. Of course, I go through the creative funk of, you know, I didn't get enough views on my last video, so now I don't want to do it. But I promise I will never be in that mindset again. So I made sure to wash my face. I get a lot of questions about what I use. Hold on, I'm not centered, that's bothering me. Okay, so I get a lot of questions about what I use to wash my face. All I use to wash my face is Dove Sensitive Skin Bar Soap. I wash my face with the Dove soap. And the next thing I do is I use tea tree oil toner. I grab a little sponge. And what this does is it minimizes your pores. Like, it's really cool. And you let that sit for a little bit. It's funny, you actually have to kind of shake this aggressively so that you get the mixture all together, because it will sit at the bottom. All right, so now that we have our toner dried, set, you know, I use the Cetaphil moisturizing cream, which is like an all over body cream for dry and sensitive skin to moisturize my face. I love this because there's no like fragrance, and it just really hydrates your skin, and it's not oily, it's not harsh. And then while that moisturizer is getting all soaked in, I'm gonna go in with the Benefit Bravo Conditioner Primer. And so for the brows, we are using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Okay, so for the brows, we are using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Angled Eyebrow Brush in 7B. I think I'm just gonna fast forward through this because, you know, we all got our way we do our brows. So brush, 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 brush.
Brush, 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 brush.
We'll touch these eyebrows up in a little bit. Now we're gonna go back to the face. Now that it is all moisturized and tuned and all that, I'm gonna go actually for that this glossy glam look at Coachella. I didn't actually put foundation on because as we were getting ready, we were like, oh, we're just gonna do light makeup because we're gonna be in the pool. So of course I go all out with eyeshadow, and then I'm like, oh, okay, I won't put foundation on. But for purposes of this tutorial, we will put foundation on. So we're gonna use the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Touch Primer, which is my favorite primer. Actually, I think it's a close tie with Benefits Professional. All right. Eyebrows, even though we're push it up. Get onto the neck, ears. Alright, so I should probably try my hair. Let's see that. We are going to prime our eyelids with the Fenty Beauty concealer in 230. For this glossy glam look, I use my Huda Beauty mini eyeshadow palettes of Coral Sessions, and I wanted it to be very like bright and tropical because I was wearing like an orange top. So we're gonna start off with that. So as a base, I use this color. I don't think they have names. So I kind of just did this one all over my eye. And I use this lighter pink shade for the actual lid. And then I'm just gonna blend that in. Next we're gonna go, it looks kind of brown on the palette, but when you put it on, it actually looks really nice. I'm using the fluffy side. Oh, sorry. I'm using an Urban Decay Naked brush. It's double-ended. And into the crease. Okay. Then at the very top right here, we're actually going to use the flat side and go towards the inner of our lid. And then just blend all that. So we got the basis down. And then we're going to take this bottom color right here. Super iridescent. I love Huda Beauty eyeshadows. They're so pretty. And we're using the flat side again and just pressing. Oh, I love the way this looks. And girl, be careful when blending and just blend from the top down into the eyelid so that you're not blending the shimmer outside. And like clean up your crease. Alright. There's your eyeshadow. Now we're gonna go in with your eyeliner. We're using the Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D. Just gonna clean that up because obviously we have all this excess. And just take that concealer we used to prime earlier, put that under the wing. Grab a beauty blender. Same palette, that like burnt orange brown thing. I'm gonna line the bottom of her eye. And then we're gonna take that iridescent color that we use for our lids and just put it on the inner bottom eyelid. The line kind of matches. And then you can even press them into there. And then there's this darker iridescent one. I've obviously like pounded through, and do that for the rest of your bottom eyelid. Cute. And now we go back to cleaning up the bottom. I didn't mean it like that, but you don't know. For the foundation, we are going to use Tarte's Super Vegan Found Sealer. This stuff is pretty good for like being out and about. It also has sunscreen in it. This foundation is a sheer, super lightweight foundation, which is great for being in the sun because you don't want it too cakey. That's why I chose to use it for this video. Now we are going to move on to the contouring and highlight portion. I'm gonna say potion. And what I started to do with my contouring is when you purse your lips or whatever you call it, squeeze your cheeks. I go from the bottom up because that shows me where my line is. Because people will be like here, when really it is here. So you go right above that dimple that you make and then swoop up rather than here, because this is where it gets hollow, you know, for your face. Anyway, and then we take our concealer once again. This stuff is magic, and do our that's done, I'm gonna take my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. So we're not gonna go too crazy with the setting powder. Literally just taking a little. I hope I didn't say we were gonna bake earlier, because we're not. We're literally just applying some to hold the makeup in place. So now for the bronzer part, I'm using Benefit Cosmetics Hoola bronzer. Now we can put on our eyelashes, so I will be right back, because who knows how long this is gonna take. Okay, so that actually didn't take me long this time. And so we're gonna go in with this is like a trial size that came with the chocolate eyeshadow palette by Too Faced. Better Than Sex mascara. You'll see that? Clumpy. Ew. I swear this mascara is under like 3 months old, so I don't know, y'all. Anyway, I have little baby eyelashes, so you know mascara isn't as promising for me as for most of you all. Anyway, we're not done. We are going to take this Gloss Bomb in Fussy by Fenty Beauty and put some on our fingertips and just dab, 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 kind of all over. Again, you don't really want to lose the iridescence of the eyeshadow, so just be mindful. Dab, 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 and don't smear it. Dab. Yeah. All right. Let that sit for a second. And while that sits, we are going to do our lips. So for this look, I mixed Fenty Uncuffed and Fenty Unlocked. So what I did was I took Uncuffed, kind of lined all of that, yeah, and then smooshed it in. It doesn't have to be perfect because we're still mixing it. And then I take Fenty Unlocked and I go and dab it through. Okay. So that's that. And then we take. Okay. So I'm gonna go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. As you can see, we're running out. And we're gonna mix taffy and marshmallow. Taffy, marshmallow, okay. And just lightly brush. Yeah. I'm doing that in with our finger. Same thing this side. Brush the nose, all that, and the top here, and we have to touch up these eyebrows. So this is our finished glam Coachella festival look. Don't worry, I'm wearing a top. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, tap that bell for notifications, and comment down below what kind of look I should do next. I'm really feeling these makeup videos, yo. Anyway, my next video is just gonna be talking about why I was so MIA, and